Cobtel Precision Electronics Company Limited was founded at April 2011 in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. With convenient transportation access, our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout of the world. We are professional in producing and selling network cabling engineering products, such as US modular plug, modular jack, LAN cable, patch cord, network distribution frame. As an 8 years experienced manufacturer, we are performing excellent sales in domestic and international markets. We are working closely with various multinational companies like Schneider, LS. We are producing the world-famous brand CNCOB plugs. Cobtel equipped with modern production equipment and advanced inspection facilities. Cobtel inherited and strengthened our motto, "The quality creates prestige. The prestige ensures the quality." We have obtained international certificates, ISO 9001, UL, CSA, CE, and SGS. Our staffs have 15 years experience in US modular plug manufacturer industry. To be consistently innovative and creative, we set up Cobtel as our R&D center. With strong support from Germany technology, we will be able to keep the same pace with Industry 4.0 to provide the best quality products to our customers. Warmly welcome OEM projects. We are looking forward to forming successfully business relationship with new clients around the world in the near future.
Customer first, continuous innovation, create value.